aspiring fashionistas, let's talk skirts. Skirts are amazing. They're versatile, stylish, and they can transform your look in an instant. Whether you're headed to a wedding, a party, or just running errands, there's a perfect skirt out there waiting for you. Trust me, finding the right skirt is like discovering a hidden superpower. It's about understanding your body type and embracing your personal style. It's about feeling confident and beautiful in your own skin. Are you ready to unlock your inner fashion icon? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk ball gowns. Nothing says fairy tale princess quite like a voluminous ball gown skirt. This style is all about drama and elegance. It's perfect for those extra special occasions like a glamorous wedding or a red carpet event. Imagine yourself gliding across the dance floor in a beautiful, flowing ball gown. Choose luxurious fabrics like silk or satin, and don't be afraid to go all out with embellishments. Think sequins, embroidery, or even a touch of sparkle. For a more bohemian vibe, a tiered maxi skirt is your new best friend. This style is all about effortless movement and carefree spirit. Maxi skirts are perfect for summer festivals, beach vacations, or even just a casual day out with friends. Embrace bold prints, vibrant colors, and flowy fabrics like cotton or linen. Pair your maxi skirt with a simple crop top or a tank top, and complete the look with sandals or wedges. Speaking of fun and flirty, let's move on to the ever-popular A-line skirt. This universally flattering style cinches at the waist and flares out, creating a beautiful silhouette. A-line skirts are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down. For a party-ready look, choose an A-line skirt in a bold print or a vibrant color. Pair it with a sleek top and heels, and you're good to go. For a more casual vibe, opt for a denim A-line skirt and pair it with a t-shirt and sneakers. Section 4. Classic charm and playful spins, pleats, and circles. Pleated skirts are a timeless classic that never goes out of style. They're perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Whether you prefer a crisp knife pleat or a more relaxed box pleat, there's a pleated skirt out there for you. For a traditional and formal look, choose a pleated skirt in a neutral color like black, navy, or gray. Pair it with a blouse, a blazer, and heels for a polished ensemble. Last but not least, let's twirl into the world of circle skirts. These skirts are all about movement and fun. The full flowing shape is incredibly flattering and always turns heads. Circle skirts are perfect for a casual day out, a picnic in the park, or even a summer party. Choose a skirt in a lightweight fabric like cotton or chiffon, and don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors and patterns. Pair your circle skirt with a fitted top or a tucked-in blouse to balance out the volume. Section 5. Embrace your inner fashionista. There you have it, fashion lovers. From the drama of ball gowns to the playful charm of circle skirts, there's a perfect skirt out there for every occasion and every personality. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, colors, and fabrics. The most important thing is to find skirts that make you feel confident, beautiful, and ready to conquer the world. So go ahead, embrace your inner fashionista and rock those skirts.